guys are sneakerheads and you already know this is not the first time that these two teamed up. PUMA and Public Enemy had teamed up again back in the past, but this time they redid it again. On this one right here, we got a special classic colorway. Some call it the bread colorway, reference another brand. I'm not gonna say the brand out of respect to this brand, but bread usually means black red, so bread. But this shoe right here came out this year, this February. I'm sorry, I just can't stop looking at this. Look at this suede. Look at this. Look at that, chat. Look at that. That is such premium material on this shoe right here. Such premium. So keen to detail. Usually a lot of my videos I do style as well as comfort. On this one, the comfort side isn't quite there as compared to my other shoes, but the style is there. And that's a lot of times what you get with designer shoes. You do sacrifice something. But I think with this right here, this is the perfect blend. This is the perfect blend of style on top of style and quality. So this is a classic Clyde low top silhouette, as the other ones are you've seen before. It is beautifully placed in nothing but the finest suede in the upper. Also, we have the lace closure right here for a secure fit. And then in addition to that, we have the contrast of the PUMA foam strip at the sides. And if you notice throughout the wording of this shoe, you see Fear of the Black Panic as well as Public Enemy. This is a collab from PUMA and Def Jam. Beautiful shoe. Pay attention to the hints of the details. You see little things everywhere. Right there. Even down to the insole of the shoe. Even to the back. This right here's a nice grip. And one thing I'll let you guys know, this is more of a creamish color right here. It's not a bright white. This is more of a cream right here. So if you had like a pair of faded jeans or some faded shorts, you could definitely pull that off with these right here. This red is almost like a varsity red. And this suede black, well, I mean, it's a suede black. Little accents of the gold. So if you have some jewelry or something like that, like a nice little wristwatch or a ring or something like that, it would really pop with this colorway right here. Overall, great shoe, great quality. Definitely something you want to keep your eyes on. I mean, look at the suede. One more time. Let's look at the suede, guys. Look at the suede. You guys see that? You could play tic-tac-toe if you wanted to. Maybe if you were like a size 17 or something like that, you could probably play tic-tac-toe. But overall, man, it's a great shoe.
Said.
Yo.
It's all good, bro. We good.
We back to day one. With lights and shit falling. Alright, you you don't cut your phone off. I know that's in the video.
Oh, what are you doing?